What if you could condense an entire metal fabrication shop into a portable box? This is the XLaserlab X1 LITE, the world's first pen and torch laser workstation. It slashes your equipment capital by over 60%, boosts workflow efficiency by 80%, and saves 75% of your shop space by replacing separate welders, cutters and cleaners into one 14-kilo package. Plugging into any standard household outlet, it generates 700 watts of performance output across 9 processing modes. Even better, it splits into 2 distinct workflows: a heavy-duty power torch for structural welding, cutting and cleaning, and an ultra-fine precision pen built for micro-fabrication and delicate strips paint and rust up to 150 millimeters wide effortlessly. Need fine detail? Switch to the pen for 0.1 millimeter micro-precision. You get near zero heat distortion, keeping delicate metals completely flat without warping or burn through. Forget hauling heavy shielding gas tanks. The X1 LITE uses proprietary airflow technology to pull ambient air, meaning you can weld anywhere, even in a home garage. And with the SmartGrip handle, you adjust power, frequency, and motorized wire feed directly on the torch without looking away from your work. The learning curve? Just 10 minutes. Select your material, pick the thickness, and start. Over 100 pre-tuned parameters handle the math for you. Plus, with a fully open-source CNC API, you can mount the torch onto robotic arms or CNC tracks to automate small batch production runs. In real-world testing, the X1 LITE finished stainless steel fabrication in just 18 minutes compared to 45 minutes on traditional TIG, more than doubling monthly sign-making profits. Retailing at $2,599, you can lock in the Kickstarter launch special for $1,999, or grab the VIP price of $1,799 with a $30 deposit. Check the link in the description to secure your early bird spot.